Hi, hello everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Yes, it's me again, Chef Coco Cruz, your fusion exotic chef. And guess what? Today I am going to share you one of my signature dishes, which is called boiling fusion shrimp with Modelo Negra. And I can't wait to share it to you because right now we have to start cooking because look at all these goodies right in front of me. Of butter. We put our skillet into low heat and we'll wait that to melt for 1 minute. I have 16 ounces of fresh tomatoes here that I already went ahead and blended. I know a lot of people love shrimp. This is actually one of my favorite seafood. Look at this, yummy. This is a pound and a half of prawns. I cut this portion, the eyes and the antenna. As you can see, the antenna. So we're gonna cut that portion. And always wash your hands right after, like what I just did. So now it's time to see our butter to put our tomato sauce. And then we're going to add 3 ounces of tomato paste. This is going to put a lot of flavors. Then we're going to add a white onion. Now I had already cut the onion. This is a whole white onion. Add that. An ounce of fresh ginger. Put that all together. And then also 5 pieces of garlic. This is fresh chopped garlic. Aroma, baby! Yum! So after adding our garlic, time to add 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. This is fresh lemon juice. Why? Because it's gonna give that sweetness. A little bit of sour, but more into sweetness. Now we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Why do I add white vinegar? Just to break down some of the intense taste of everything that I'm putting here. Now for our, look at this. So over here we have a teaspoon of whole cumin, a half a teaspoon of ground cloves, a tablespoon of chili flakes, as you guys can see here, for spices. If you want to add some more, go right ahead. A teaspoon of a sweet paprika, look at this, and a tablespoon of chili powder, and 2 tablespoons of black seeds. Look at this. This is sesame black seeds, and also ground cinnamon. Last, you want to add this now. Why? So it can release more aromatic stuff. Perfect. Look at that. Oh wow, the smell itself. Ooh. To add 2 tablespoons of granulated white sugar and a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of ground black pepper. Add that already. Awesome. Now we're gonna let this be cooked for 15 minutes so it can release some armies of flavor and taste. All right, so after 15 minutes searing all the goodies that we have right here, now time to open our Modelo Negra. Now what I love about this beer is that it's brewed longer, so the flavor of this is very flavorful. So now time to add our 12 ounces of Modelo Negra beer. Just like so. And we're gonna let this cook for another 5 minutes. And I will be back. While we're waiting again to release more flavors with our Modelo Negra beer here, I'm gonna show you, this is 8 ounces of smoked and cured pepperoni. And then I had already boiled corn on the cob here. This one, it took me 8 minutes to boil the corn on the cob. And then also I had already boiled a pound of a potato peel in. Yes, I love the peel in. And then later on, we are going to add 5 strands of green onions, as you can see. It has been 5 minutes, so look into our stew for our Coco boiling fusion shrimp with Modelo Negra. Now it's time to add our pepperoni. And then add our corn on the cob that again already had been pre-cooked. And add our potatoes, and you stir this for a bit and let this be cooked for another 5 minutes. Now it's time to add our shrimps. Look at this. And kindly give it more a little stir. And let's add our green onion. So we're just gonna chop this like an inch. Please share this with your families and your loved ones. You guys are all gonna love this. Cooking it with Chef Coco here in my YouTube channel. Now time to add our green onions. Look at that. Give it another 10 minutes to be cooked, because we want to make sure our seafood, shrimp, is well cooked. And we are finished! Look at this! I am going to pour this into our pan here. Look at that. Ooh, the sauce itself. I'm gonna tell you, this is going to make your family happy. Please share this again to your families and your loved ones. Look at this. And then, time to add more lemon wedges. Just put it all over so they get to pick, and you squirt that everywhere. Look at that. And that is my Coco boiling fusion shrimp with Modelo Negra. Look at that. Yum! I can't wait to have one. I think I'm gonna start with the shrimp first, of course, yeah? Look at this. Wow. Ooh. Wow, this is so good. The flavoring itself, it's so intense. You guys are going to love this. The sweetness, all the goodies that we had put together. Wow, and the smell alone, and the way we cook the shrimp. And I'm gonna grab a piece of lemon wedge here. Put it in. Oh, this is good. Super good. Again, thank you for watching me, your Chef Coco P. Cruz, and my YouTube channel. I love you all. Again, look at this. Please share this to your families. Wow, I'm gonna have to eat some more. I'm gonna take this whole thing. What happened was when I put the chicken, so that who came up first, the chicken or the egg? Well, I'm just kidding. Hi, hello everyone. Yes, it's me again, your chef. Chef. Did you know what happened one time? I was drinking Modelo beer, right? And I said, I want to eat some shrimp. So I ended up creating this dish. And it's super fantastic only. Good thing it's not chicken.